Student, we are discussing a very important topic for class 10th, discrete mathematics, in which we are going to study Boolean algebra. We come across a number of number of situation in which the situation is either true or false. A statement is either true or false. A motion is good or bad. A action is right or wrong. A electrical circuit is open or closed. In society we come across this type of example. A statement is true or false. For example, what is your name? You cannot answer it in true or false. But if I am saying that you take your meal, so you can answer it either in yes or in no, either true, either or false. So Boolean algebra deals such type of statement. A statement is either true or false, a motion is good or bad, an activity is right or wrong, an electric circuit is open or closed. So there is a scientist named Boolean in 1854 developed a algebra known as Boolean algebra. Scientist named Boolean, 1854 developed an algebra which is named by their name Boolean algebra for two-value logical statement. What is means of logical statement? A statement is either true or false. That statement is known as logical statement. Any answer of that statement in yes or no, that statement is true or false. So a algebra is developed for logical statement. That algebra is known as Boolean algebra, and the logical statement are known as Boolean variable. Just try to understand. The algebra developed is known as Boolean algebra for logical statement, and logical statement are known as Boolean variable. A Boolean variable can have either a true value or false value. The true value is represented by 1 and false value by 0. For example, the active and passive statement of semiconductor devices such as switch, a diode, a transistor may be represented by 1, and means on statement is represented by 1 and off statement is represented by 0. So there is another scientist in 1938 in Bell Telephone Laboratory developed by the use of Boolean algebra design complicated switches. A switch is a binary device which an on and an off position. So this is the gist of Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra is based upon the statement which is either true or false. A motion is good or bad, an activity is right or wrong, an electrical circuit is open or closed. It is developed by Bell in 1800. It is developed by Boolean in 1854. So Boolean developed an algebra known as Boolean algebra for two-variable logical statement. A logical statement is a statement whose answer is either in yes or in no. For sake of convenience, I am saying that you take your meal. So you can say that either yes or no. So that statement is known as logical statement, and the logical statement known as Boolean variable, and a Boolean variable can have either a true value, either a false value, and the algebra which is developed for these Boolean variables is known as Boolean algebra. In 1934, Bell Telephone Laboratory used Boolean algebra to design complicated circuit which is working upon either on or off. So there are such Boolean operation. Operators. not operation, operators. So just an identity algebra, we can use addition, we can use subtraction, and क्या, multiplication. Similarly, in Boolean algebra, there are three basic operations like or, and not. So first of all, we are going to understand what is OR operator. OR operator. Inputs are A and B, and output is Y. If A state is 1, means A is on, and B state is what? B state is 0, B is off. So current started from this side and goes from this side, and this bulb glows. The glowness of bulb is denoted by notation 1. If A is 0 and B is 1, means A is off and B is on, then bulb is also glow. That is 1. Both are off, 0. Both are 1, then 1. Only output 0 is possible only when both A and B switches are off. So this circuit in computer science performing an operation, and that operation is OR operation, and this table is known as truth table. And such a symbol, this type of symbol, represent OR operation symbol. This symbol represent OR operation symbol. Minimum, there are how many inputs? There are minimum 2 inputs. And how many outputs? 1 output. The number of inputs must be increased. It is 3, 4, 5, 6. And the table which is formed to take these inputs are known as truth table. Thick. Are you getting? There are second operation. That operation is known as AND operator. Sorry, not operation. AND operator. The AND operator. The AND operator. Let us consider a circuit. A, B, this is bulb. Y. Let us say that A, B, input, output is Y. 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0. Both switches are on. A is on and B is on. Current is started from this positive terminal and this is negative terminal, goes from this path, and this bulb glows. When this bulb glows, the output is 1. A is on and B is off. Bulb does not glow, 0. A is off, B is on. Bulb does not glow, both are off. Bulb does not glow. This logical circuit gives which type of operation? That is AND operation. AND operation means what? It is A dot B. And OR operation means what? OR operation means A plus B. And AND means A dot B. Now we are going to see NOT operation. What is means of NOT operation? Not operator, sorry, not operation, operator. Not operator. This is circuit and this is a bulb. A is a key. A is on. The current started from this path and goes just like that and reaches to which terminal? Negative terminal. This bulb does not glow. The status of Y is 0. When A is 0, A is off, current start from this terminal and reaches to negative terminal via bulb. Bulb glows, that is 1. The NOT operator is only operator having one input and having one output. There are several operators are the combination of two operators, such as NAND operator. It is the combination of AND plus NOT operator. And this is NOT. It is A, it is B, it is Y, and this is what? Y bar. Simply we can represent and this type of symbol. Which gate, which operator? This one. It is NAND operator. There is another important operator, NOR operator. NOR operator. R plus NOT. This is our R. A, B, Y, and this is NOT. So the combination of R plus NOT gives what? NOR. Simply we can, the symbol is A, B, Y bar. It is NOT operator. And there is an exclusive gate such as XOR gate. XOR gate. Or XOR operator. It is the combination of NOT plus R plus AND. Is Boolean expression is a bar dot b plus a dot b bar. Symbolically, it is represented just like that. It is XOR operator. Now we are going to make the circuit for XOR operator with the help of this logical Boolean expression. Here is a this is a bar, here is B, this one is B bar. Which operation perform first? First of all, we perform which operation? We perform the operation of addition or multiplication. Just tell me, we perform operation of addition or multiplication? We perform operation of multiplication. First of all, we needed a bar. Here is a bar. Then we needed B. It is B. This is a bar dot B. Then we need A. Then we need B bar. A dot B bar. And the output is a bar dot B plus a dot B bar. Which gate this one? It is exclusive OR gate.